Hello, good morning, children. This is your social science teacher, Jasveer Kaur ma'am, is here to teach you about your some important question from Democratic Politics, chapter second, that is constitutional design. In this constitutional design, we have studied about detail of constitution, detail things about constitution. I would like to mention here I have some problem in my knee. That's why by sitting I am teaching you. Slowly things will improve and I'll stand up in front of blackboard. I know that it is somewhat not so interesting, but we have to work. We cannot stop working regarding that. So that's why you have to take care. You have to be somewhat cooperative in this way so that you may write the questions. I am going to dictate you some important questions and you have to write their answers. Who was Nelson Mandela? Question number 1 is, who was Nelson Mandela? These answers you have to write in your portfolio. These answers you have to write in your portfolio. Okay? Portfolio में लिखने हैं आप लोगों ने ये सारे आंसर. Who was Nelson Mandela? Wherever you find any problem for any particular answer, I'll help you. Don't hesitate to ask the answer. Second question is, what does apartheid means? What does apartheid means? Question number 3, who called blacks in South Africa? Who were called blacks in South Africa? And question number 4, how non-whites were treated in South Africa? How non-whites were treated in South Africa. Question number 5, what does segregation means in South Africa? What does segregation means in South Africa? Question number 6, what was ANC? Question number 6, what was ANC? तो अफ्रीकन नेशनल कांग्रेस थी, इसके बारे में आपने लिखना है. यू हैव टू राइट 1-2 लाइन्स दीज आंसर्स, राइट. एंड हाउ वाइट रेसिस्ट कंटिन्यूड देयर अपार्थाइड बिसाइड प्रोटेस्ट्स. ठीक है, हाउ वाइट रेसिस्ट, जैसे वाइट कलर के जो लोग थे स्किन के, दे रिएक्ट अगेंस्ट दिस प्रोटेस्ट. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, when did apartheid ended in South Africa? When did apartheid end in South Africa? Then our next question is, what policies were changed by white regime in South Africa? What policies were changed by white regime in South Africa? Then question number 9 is there. Question number 9, who formed the constitution of New Democratic South Africa? Who formed the constitution of New Democratic South Africa? You have to name the party here. And question number 11, when was the constitution of South Africa completed? When was the Constitution of South Africa completed? 12th, question number 12, what does South Africa Constitution teach us? What does South African Constitution teach us? What lesson we are derive from South Africa Constitution, their ANC struggle, their policies, like that. And next question is, what compromise was made by white minority in South Africa? What compromise was made by white minority in South Africa? Yes, children, I can even give you PDF of these questions, but intentionally I am dictating you these questions so that you may be habit of writing and listening. It will improve your listening skills also. राइट, वीडियो को पॉज करके आप क्वेश्चंस लिखते जाएंगे. हार्डली इट विल टेक 20 to 30 मिनट एंड यू विल कंप्लीट योर वर्क एज वेल एज यू वुड have this habits of listening. What compromise was made by whites minority in South Africa? Then question number 15. What compromise was made by black majority in South Africa? What compromise was made by black majority in South Africa? Then with which rules trust was built between blacks and whites in South Africa? With which rule trust was built between blacks and whites in South Africa? What is question number next 17? What is this set of basic rule called? What is the set of basic rule called? Then very major question, what is constitution? Then question number 19. Why is constitution considered the supreme law? Why is constitution considered the supreme law? Then question number 20. How difficult it was for India to frame a constitution for united India after independence? How difficult was it for India to frame the constitution for united India after independence? Till now we have all the questions from that South Africa constitution. Now I am giving you from Indian constitution. Question number 21. What advantage did Indian constitution makers have unlike South Africa? Unlike South Africa, who was the first one to draft constitution for India? First one to draft the constitution for India. Question number 23. What resolution was made in 1931 Karachi session? What resolution was made in Karachi session 1931? Then question number 24. Which basic rules were incorporated in our constitution from these pre-independence decisions? Which basic values were incorporated in our constitution from these pre-independence decisions? What institutional details and producers Indians derive from colonial law? What institutional details and producers Indians derive from colonial law? Then question number 26. Which country's constitutional features inspired Indian constitution makers? That we have done in a lengthy question, bag of borings वाले में से you have to mention the name of those countries. Then what is constitutional assembly? What is constitutional assembly at that time? And question number 28. How was constitutional assembly formed? In this question, the answer needs that how was this constitutional assembly formed? By election, direct voting, or any other system? You have to mention all 2-3 things here. Then our second last question, 29th. How many members did the Constitutional Assembly have? How many members did the Constitutional Assembly have? Then our last question is 30th. What is the unusual achievement of our Constitution? What is the unusual achievement of our constitutional, जिसके बारे में वैसे तो बहुत सोच समझ के taking every view in consideration, under consideration, then constitution have been made. But then also there it may happen, there are some we can say there are some debates, discussions, or we can say some hesitation may be there. So that is the unusual achievement. As we see that in democracy there are very usual these vast struggles, this and that are there. So that you have to see here. So in this way, dear students, these questions you have to write in your portfolio, and I'll give some PDF also afterward, but now this practice will continue so that you may listen and write. And wherever you face problem for any answer, I'll tell you the answer. Right? In live class, you may ask these answers from me. Okay, bye students. Take care.